Okay guys, so as mentioned in the first part of this video, after I put the aftermarket replacement battery on this Bose QC20, even though it say replacement battery for this particular unit, once I replaced it, put it in, what happened is we're facing the charging issue, which is the Bose does not recognize the charging and is flashing the red light in the back for a minute or so, and then it went black. So it doesn't work. Other people suggest to use the external charger. In my case, as I mentioned earlier in the first part of the video, I suspect there is a little board that came in with the battery. So that might be something that hard code into the QC20, which it doesn't allow to charge. So what I did, I took it apart from the original battery, which is this one, and I did the same with the new battery, and I swiped out this part in there using the original one. So there are two prongs here. When you remove it from the original or the new one, to swap it out, make sure that you put it in the right way. So the red wire indicating for the positive side, and on over here, which is the red wire, indicate the negative. So when you remove it from the original battery, make sure you know which one of these are positive or negative. So the positive here has to go into the side of the board, which is with the red wire. If you forgot for any reason, another way to find out is to use the meter, the voltmeter, which is I use here, Fluke, and basically you will have the two springs here. The way you find out is when you stick it, let's say the red at the bottom and the black at the top. So if I have 4 voltage here, in this case I get 4. I don't know if you guys can see it. If you get the -4 here, that's what I get. So basically I put it in the wrong way. So I'm gonna flip it the other side right here like this, and I test it again. So now I should get 4 volts. In this case, what does that mean is the bottom sprung here, that's gonna be the positive, and the top one is a negative. So make sure you put it back in place correctly. For that, here is the new cells with the original board that I attached to that here, and it appeared to be working perfectly. So right now my unit, I can turn this on, and this green is working just fine as I tested earlier. Let me flip it back to off and plug in the charge cable. So now I got the flashing amber lights, which is it indicating the battery is charging normally. Well, I hope this helps guys out there that having the same issue as mine. So luckily I found this solution. Thanks for watching.